We'll guide you through how to use Claude AI to make landing page. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin the official process of building your site, launch the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Navigate directly to the search bar located at the top of your browser window to prepare for your query. Type Claude download and execute the search immediately to locate the official setup file provided by the developers. Select the primary Anthropic website from the search results to ensure a secure download today without any safety risks. Trigger the download for Windows action to save the installer to your local system now so you can proceed. Open the completed installer from your browser's download history to start the setup wizard on your machine. Wait patiently for the application to finish installing all its necessary files on your workstation before proceeding. Press the Get Started button once the application interface opens for the first time. Initiate the login process by selecting the Continue with Google option from the available choices. Pick the specific Google account you wish to link with your AI workspace today to keep everything organized and secure for your future usage. Confirm your selection to finalize the secure authentication process and enter the secure platform. Grant permission to open Claude when the browser redirection pop-up appears on your screen. Dismiss any introductory tips or welcome screens to access the main dashboard now and see the interface layout clearly. Continue through the brief setup prompts to prepare your active workspace for future creative projects you have in mind to complete. Maximize the application window for an optimized, full-screen development environment that allows you to see everything clearly. Navigate to the primary message field to input your creative requirements today to start your design. Input a detailed prompt, such as, "Can you generate a responsive landing page for a tech information website with a modern, clean aesthetic?" Press Enter to allow the AI to begin the code generation process now and wait for the results. Observe as the software builds your landing page structure using clean, optimized code specifically designed for a great landing page that works. Finally, review the live preview within the interface and download the final files for your website today to share with the whole wide world on the internet.